Me here. I don't know. Here. Let's build a boat and capture some humans. Oh, delete that. Okay. Oh, this. Oh, help me. 1 like equal help. Oh. Comment what if you see this. Hello, I am here to capture you. I am a troll. You're coming with me. I'm on vacation every single day. He's on vacation too. Oh yeah, I love Mr. Krabs. I love the money. Let's catch him. Got him. Ah, dang, wrong one. Hello, sir. I must kindly ask you to let me be. Okay, kind sir. Bye-bye. I'm gonna capture him. Yes. Oh no, I did not capture it. Let's capture. Let's capture him. Target locked. Uh-oh. Well, no worries. You have another one. Target locked. Bleh. Go. Hello, kind sir. Whee. Uh-oh. Boop. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yippee. Oh, dang. Go. I'm doing front flips, back flips, barrel rolls at the same time. What do I do? Okay. Target locked. Got him. Wait, what the free? Okay. Target locked. Getting. Hee. Oh, he's just AFK. Once a Is that the Krusty Krab of the plane? I must get this guy because he has a mech and I want to steal it. Loading mech. What the? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna ask him some questions. Oh no. Okay, no, I'm just gonna go back. Weird. Oh no, it seems like I can't get on. No. Oh wait. Never mind. Okay. Come on, please flip over. It's literally on the wall. Whoop. What a oh! Yeah. Now that we're sideways, we can aim better. Let's go. Oh, okay. Let's go for the green team. Editor, please censor that off. Yeah, we're not gonna mess with him. Absolutely no. It was someone on that team. Or that. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know. Wee, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna censor that. yeah, just thanks for like closing that off. Oh. No, there's only like, where is Baby Black? Oh wait, no, he's, let's troll him again, because it seems like he is AFK. Where is he? Hello, sir. What? Oh no! Oh, hi there, sir. Hello. Yeah, sure. I will just let you go. Okay. Let's try to yeah. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna kill you. Little boat versus big. Who will win? Big boat wins. Yay. I still cheese. You can't catch me. One subscriber equal one rip.